Hey guys, quick video of the magical silicone gummy trays. They come with 2 trays in the box. As you guys can see right here, each tray holds up to 15 gummies. These are the medium size. It says it somewhere in here. These are the medium size, so 8 milliliters is what each gummy is, and you guys can kind of see the size of, I'll put it, compared to my thumb, you can see the size of the gummy. One of the things I really like about this and why I would recommend getting a special tray like this for your gummies is that it has a lid, right? So the lid is, you could put this right in the refrigerator or right where you want to, let them sit out if you're letting them sit out, or if you're putting them in the fridge, it snaps on. So once the lid's on, it's pretty functional. So even if you need to take them anywhere, it does put this little imprint on them, which I'm not opposed to that at all. But I love the fact that it has a lid because it keeps them safe from anything falling in them. And just overall, I just feel like it's more sanitary and stuff like that. The lid also has this little, so one thing I did not know about this, as I said in the title, is that it's got this little top. I thought the top was more of a, you could take it off and fill hole. It's more of like a air hole here, and you can pour a little bit in there, but this is not like put the top on and then fill it. You would definitely fill the tray and then put the top on, and if you want to add like a little to top it off, or like I said, if you wanted to air it out, and depending on what you're making, it might get like moisture, things like that. So if you do want to leave open some space, and then this little top goes right back on. So it's pretty nice. They're really sturdy. They're kind of not flimsy at all. A very thick silicone. The box says that it is dishwasher safe, microwave safe, safe for ovens. I would not do any of those things with it. I usually just put it in the refrigerator. But if you needed to, you can see how long it can stay in the refrigerator, like what the temperatures are. But it's very versatile, very sturdy, and like I said, my favorite part is this top to make sure that things stay safe. Oh, and they stack. So if you have multiple and you're making, a lot more, this comes with 2, but you can stack them because of that lid. So that's another really good convenience thing. So enjoy your trays.